today I'm reviewing the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Cleansing Oil. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to support the channel, check out NoBSBeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. I will click to the link. I will link to it below. Anyway, Cameron asked me about geometry, and I said, you know what? I did very good in school, but I did not do good in geometry, and I'm still irritated that in 8th grade, I was about to get the honor roll with all 4.0s. And then my stupid art teacher gave me a C, and I didn't get the high honor roll. Which is like, art is so subjective. Have I said this in a video? I think I've gone off on it before. I'm still not over it. Like, if art is subjective, how can you give me a C? I tried my hardest, and it screwed me over. Anyway, okay. There we go. Okay, so I say... Beauty of Joseon, lightweight cleansing oil containing... Did I really go off on it? I do feel like I have one off on that. I think I must go off on it once a month for probably the rest of my life. Okay, lightweight cleansing oil containing soybean oil and ginseng seed oil dissolves makeup and dirt, clogged in pores, also replenishes skin moisture, and has a subtle ginseng aroma. I didn't really notice the scent. Maybe a slight herbal scent, but not really. But it does have another fragrance ingredient that I'll talk about in a second, so... Okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Pump bottle. It's awesome. Works well. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. In terms of fragrance, technically it does contain amber powder, which probably gives it the yellowish shade it has. But amber powder is also technically a deodorizing ingredient. So, and amber powder also has some light exfoliation properties. So, I say some of the fragrance probably comes from the ginseng, but some of it also probably comes from the amber powder. So don't get the two confused. It really doesn't have much of a scent, but technically, if you're looking at it very stringently, it's not technically fragrance-free in my opinion, because the amber powder could be up to interpretation based on different people, but I just personally just don't consider that fragrance-free. Okay, in terms of the manufacturing location for this one, we've got manufactured in Korea, so no issues with that, as long as you're not a sunscreen. It's not an issue. Ease of use, so you can use this, I highly recommend using it on dry skin. You can use it morning or evening. I really like using this as a morning cleanser too, just because it cleanses things without leaving your skin feeling dry at all, so it really does a good job cleaning all my multiple layers of evening skincare off. So rinse it off thoroughly, then go on to your rest of your routine, essences, toners, whatever. Rinse is very clean, light oil texture, a little bit smooths over skin, very good. A little goes a long way. Love using this as a morning cleanser or a first step cleanser in my evening routine. Really wonderful. Little bit goes a very long way. It's very light texture. So some oil cleansing oils can be super thick feeling, like the Claire's Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil, which I really like, is very thick, in my opinion. And this one is much more light and light, I guess. Light textured. Okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got soybean oil, which is a good emollient and berry repairing oil. We've got olive fruit oil, another good emollient as well as antioxidant. Sunflower seed oil, good emollient as well as a berry repairing oil. We've got vitamin E, good antioxidant. Ginseng seed oil, emollient and antioxidant. Neem extract, a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got ivy gourd extract, another skin conditioning ingredient. Eggplant fruit extract, skin conditioning ingredient. Moringa seed oil, good emollient. Turmeric root extract, good antioxidant, skin soothing, brightening ingredient. Turmeric is an amazing product and ingredient. We've got holy basil extract, which is skin conditioning ingredient. Algae, another good skin protecting and skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Bixa seed oil, which is an emollient and skin conditioning ingredient. Ginseng root extract, good antioxidant. And then Panax ginseng root, which is a skin protecting ingredient. So nice list of different oils that they used in here. Emollients, berry repairing ingredients, really nice list. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Beauty of Joseon is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. Love that. In terms of performance, it does a really good job removing pretty much everything, even stubborn, like hard-to-remove eyeliner. It really does a great job if you just give it a little bit of attention. It does a great job. I don't even use like an eye makeup remover with this, and it does a great job. It removes sunscreen. Really nice product. It rinses clean, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped or dry at all, which is wonderful. Great for dry and sensitive skin types, in my opinion. Not the most friendly for acne-prone skin. So for acne-prone skin, we've got soybean oil, olive oil, Sorbitan Sesquioleate, whatever. And then vitamin E. So not super friendly. There's probably not a lot of super friendly cleansing oils out there. I'm going to have to do some research on that. I'm sure there are some, but none pop into my mind immediately. So, okay, in terms of the price, so this is the full size, 7.4 ounces, 210 milliliters. It retails for $20. And if you use this once a day, I would say a bottle like this will probably last you 3-4 months. So it's a little bit goes a very long way. In terms of the it factor, really wonderful. Oil-based cleanser does a great job removing everything at the same time leaving your skin barrier intact and not stripping the skin. It's still affordable, cruelty-free. The reviews online of this one are great, and they don't seem to be all incentivized too, so that means something. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 9. Worth checking out in my opinion, especially if you have dry skin type. Anyway, so interested to hear from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.